Welcome to 66 Lawrence Avenue West, a stunning 3-bedroom detached brick home situated within the sought-after Lawrence Park North community of Toronto. Built in 1926 and immaculately maintained, this home has been beautifully updated with modern finishes to complement its original characteristic details. Showcasing the richness of imperial walnut flooring, most of the solid wood door and window trims, baseboards, and interior doors on the main level are stained in a deep, rich shade to harmonize with the flooring. Abundant natural lighting and a soft neutral color palette gives the entire home a bright, airy feel, and in the living room, adding to the sunshine warmth of its south-facing exposure is the coziness of a gas fireplace surrounded by a custom wood mantle. Between the living and dining rooms is a set of French doors with crystal doorknobs, and these gorgeous entertaining spaces have the elegant finishing detail of crown moldings. The warmth of wood and cool modern details blend beautifully in the kitchen. A stainless steel downdraft range with optional indoor grilling insert and a counter-depth oversized fridge flank cabinets finished with upper moldings, while its half-moon-shaped granite counter provides additional workspace. The Siot porcelain floor is tiled in a mosaic pattern and has in-floor radiant heating, and the wood cabinetry on the east wall is also finished with a granite counter as well as a stainless steel sink. Hella French doors in the dining room open to a backyard patio surrounded by lovely perennials and greenery. And in addition to the detached single-car garage, this home also has the rarity of additional parking in the rear with lane access off of Unsworth Avenue. A glass-paneled side door provides separate access into the home's unfinished lower level, which offers great storage space and has a laundry area with washer and dryer. And the home is also in immaculate mechanical shape, including updated zonal heating control for each room, an owned water heater and boiler, upgraded full-size copper water supply service from the street right into the house, updated wiring, and a newer roof. The staircase to the upper level has been refurbished, its railing, risers, and foyer wall finished with the same rich stain as the main level trims, while its treads and landings are finished with imperial walnut flooring. Throughout the upper level, the solid wood trims, baseboards, and doors have been painted white for a fresh, crisp feel, while the 4-piece washroom has a vintage vibe with its subway tiled walls with black accent borders, its pedestal sink, as well as its black and white mosaic tiled floor, and is complete with restoration hardware accessories, while across from it is a toiletry and linen closet. All 3 bedrooms are nicely sized and naturally bright, and the second bedroom features a corner storage cabinet, while the third bedroom has a double closet with overhead storage cubbies. Enjoying the sunshine warmth of a south-facing exposure, the master bedroom showcases tone-on-tone trimmed walls, a double closet, as well as a single closet with double hanging space. Close to top-rated schools including Bedford Park Public School and Lawrence Park Collegiate Institute, this home has TTC bus service just steps from the front door and is a short walk to playgrounds, beautiful Alexander Muir and Sherwood Parks, the Lawrence subway station, as well as fantastic restaurants and shops, and it's just a short drive to Sunnybrook Health Sciences Centre, Rosedale Golf Club, Yorkdale Shopping Centre, and for access to Highway 401.